Hey guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to embed tweets in your blog posts. Tweets in your blog post can appear something like this. Someone tweeted about a topic that you're interested in, or it is related to the blog post you're writing about, so you embed that tweet within your blog post. It can also look like this. So it pulls up the picture and the tweet text in that tweet. The same like this. All these are tweet embeds. So in this blog post, I'm just going to show you how to embed these blog posts within your blogs. First, you have to head over to your blog post area, and then you create a new blog post. In this case, I'm just going to edit one that I already have. And make sure that it has the content that you want to link to. Okay, so in this very blog post, we are going to add a tweet just here before sessions, just here. So to add a tweet, we just have to do something very simple. We head over to Twitter. Once you are within your Twitter timeline, you basically just need to grab a link for that tweet, copy link to tweet. By copying link to tweet, you head over to the blog, and heading over to the blog, you just add media and then insert from URL, and then you add the media, and then you insert into the post. So when you insert it to the post, it will fetch that media. Just see how this tweet is. That's how it is. The same here. What you now need to do is only to update before session here. That's where our tweet will appear. Then we can preview. So on preview, before sessions, we should have our tweet there. So this is sessions, before session, our tweet is here. So guys, that's how you can embed tweets within your website or your blog posts. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.